Hi there, I am here to talk about menstrual cups. To those of you who don't know what this is, it is an alternative to tampons and sanitary napkins. It is made using medical grade silicone or latex and is to be inserted into the vagina during menstruation. This is called the cup and its stem. They are available in different sizes and can be used up to 10 years and are hence eco-friendly. The cup cannot be torn and neither can it be detached from its stem. I am going to take you through the steps of using a menstrual cup. Step 1. Sterilization. Before using a new cup, make sure you sterilize it. Put the cup in boiling water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 2. Insertion. Before inserting the cup, wash your hands with warm water and relax, because when you are relaxed, the vaginal walls would be relaxed and insertion would be easier. Folds. There are multiple ways to fold the cup for insertion. Experiment and find the one you are comfortable with. Here I demonstrate 3 of the most common folds. 1. Push down fold. Push the rim down to the base and pinch the cup together. C fold. Fold the cup in half. 7 fold. Fold cup closed and bring down one top corner diagonally to the opposite bottom corner. There are 4 tiny air holes on the rim of the cup. They are for creating vacuum and breaking suction during insertion and removal, respectively. When the cup is inserted, a vacuum is created. When in place, try to pull the stem. If the cup does not come out, it has been placed successfully. When inserted correctly, the cup is leak-free. Step 3. Wear. Cups can contain 3 to 5 times more blood than a tampon or pad. That means no period interruptions during sports, sleeping, and other activities. Step 4. Removal. For removal, again wash your hands and relax. To remove, pull the stem slowly and start pinching the cup to release the vacuum and slowly remove the cup. Make sure the suction is broken before pulling it out for a pain-free experience. The cup is not to be thrown after one use. Instead, it is emptied and washed with warm water. Don't forget the air holes. Once clean, reinsert, or if your period has ended, sterilize the cup and store in the cotton bag provided with the cup. Hi there, I am Shagun and I am here to talk about my first experience on using a menstrual cup. I have been wanting to try this for a long time, but I was scared that it might hurt during insertion and removal, but I decided to go for it and I am surprised by how amazing this is. I forgot that I was on my periods and that I have never been so active during my periods, and this is just amazing. On the first day during insertion and removal, it did hurt, but from the second day onwards, everything was normal and I even wore this for about 8 to 10 hours and it was just super comfortable. Thank you VMens for sending this to me, because if you hadn't, I wouldn't have got my hands on this beautiful creation. Thank you so much. Thank you.